It's something really fun that you can still use. They are still available if you look hard enough. Here is a typewriter. Let me take the paper out. Now look at this beauty. So now that text, how nice does that look compared to handwriting? So that was some text that I wrote just as a test. Let me do, well, what is live streaming? Basically the topic was. So let me feed the paper back in. We'll do a quick example on this typewriter so you can see what a typewriter can do. So it's basically ink. Let me show you quickly. Under this case here, we have 2 ink ribbons. So think of them like ink pens. There's loads of ribbon in there and it's got ink on it. And then these are all the pieces that move up when you type. So you'll hear really loud typing, so be prepared if you got headphones. You'll hear tapping. So let's feed some paper into this and let's have a look at what a typewriter can do for you. So feeding paper in, you would normally do, so I get a new paper because that's already got text in. I'll put it upside down. Okay, so if I put it in like that, there we go. So on the back of the typewriter, there are 2 marks which let you put wider and narrower paper in, obviously depending on the typewriter size. So now I'm going to put the paper in. I'm going to use the side and feed the paper up, and then it's come here. So now I can drop the bar on, go right over, and let me zoom you in so you can see me typing. Now let me go something like that. You'll see the text first, and then I'll show you my typing procedure. So let's give this a go. Fingers crossed, my ink's still good. So okay, so I've typed something. Now I'll zoom out so you can see me typing as it appears. So you can see the hand movement as well and how nice it is. It's very satisfying writing actually with your hands and creating something. So let's go again. Let me go back, add a full stop at the end of that, and let's go. What else can we do? Okay, I'm thinking this is a test for our live. It's moving my camera out the way. Let me move my camera out the way. Okay, this is a test for my live stream today, and bing. So now we can go over to the next line. Hello again, this typewriter is beautiful for creative